51 here. As you can see, I'm wearing shorts. Well, I got my sleeves pulled up. It's probably 60, upper 50 and 60 degrees at least. But we're still able to make videos. We ain't got no snow on the ground, and I know y'all probably getting tired of brochures. I don't want to do a lot of brochures because I mean it's nice, but I mean I like brochures, but you know, I know I don't want to bore you with a lot of brochures. 1969, I'm working on that, so that should be coming up here the next day or two. Got something here we'll picked up the other day for a pretty good price, and I've had it. It's been waiting on me, but it took me about a month or so to get it, or longer, to pick it up. But and I got a little work to do to it. But McCormick C-20 Fast Hitch, 2-point Fast Hitch, 2 bottom. I believe those are 14-inch bottoms, and they've had some old kind of rigging done to them here. Yeah, that's going to be coming off because I can't stand that. So what I'm gonna do is, I've got a friend of mine who's got some not new old stock, but aftermarket bottoms. Since I'm going to use this, we'll get the shares, the shin. Actually, these are regular plow chief, I think. No, super chief bottom. I might try to put some super chief bottoms on them, so they'll be the 1, 2, 3 part bottom. Those are the better bottoms to have. The cheaper bottoms, in a way. Plow chief bottoms are a little more expensive because of that point that you have to have down there. So these should be super chief bottoms on this. Has the spring on it. So it's like a shock absorber type. If you were to hit something, they would take a lot of the load off. It does have one coulter on it, which I can get a new wheel, and I have another one in the shop that will mount up here. And so, but yeah, I had a pretty good price on it. It's not sprung. Everything's good and straight on it. This will be going on the Super C when we get the Fast Hitch all on it. So, but yeah, it doesn't look like it's been abused, like it's been kept inside, or not inside, but under a shelter maybe. It hadn't. The only other thing I've got to find, which they're pretty easy to find, is the tail wheel assembly. And actually, I think I do have a tail wheel assembly. What I would love to have is the long landslide with the spring mounted tail wheel, and I'll put a picture in that. And then I'll put a picture of what this setup here. This setup here is the rigid, has the big wheel in the back. And that's fine. I believe that was a cheaper option. The most expensive option would be that long landslide. I think that thing's like 100, and I forgot now how much. It's pretty expensive through Case IH, and they still have them. And then there was three bolts here, and it would mount on the back, and that was the spring mounted. That's the ideal one to have. I'm assuming it was the most expensive. So, but yeah, I kind of just dumped it off here, unloaded it out of the truck and dumped it off here. But yeah, we'll be I don't think I'm going to restore this one right away, but I definitely am going to get new bottoms put on it. Like I say, you can buy all these through Case IH. There's another company called Plowworks. You can get all this through Plowworks, and then you can go to your local co-op agri supply store, and they have these bottoms. They may have to order them, but you can get those to replace all that. And we'll probably do a little video on replacing, if I can get these. We'll see. Yes, it needs the new bolts. Somebody has done some rigging on this, so but anyway, we'll make it work. And yeah, this is the new to me McCormick C-20. I believe it's 14-inch bottoms, Fast Hitch Plow. So And I'll put some video, or not some pictures of what this plow should look like. It should have a complete red frame. The bottoms, it depends on, a lot of this depends on time frame. Early on they would have been blue, but this looks like it's a little bit later with the spring on it. It may be a later version. So the bottoms would be black along with the coulter wheel, and I'm not sure if I can't remember if the coulter shank and all that was black as well, but and then I don't think they really had many decals other than they would have Super Chief on the back, and then they would have the little decal for the, when somebody doesn't have the right one. One of these is supposed to have like a odd shaped looking bolt, and you would turn it to make the plow more aggressive, or you turn it the other way, a cam, and it would make the plow, it would level the plow bottom out. A lot of that depends on, I guess, what type of soil you're in or what you're doing with it. So, but anyway, thanks for watching, and so we'll have more on this later. All right.